All right, one more story here, which was sent to me by our pal Fotis as well.
Yeah,
And
I saw this article, and it's just like,
I couldn't
why?
leave it because it was just too crazy. I couldn't leave it. This is a giant 14-foot statue of David Hasselhoff. It is terrifying.
And he's smiling.
It is just a terrifying statue. It was part of a SpongeBob movie, and for some reason, right now, Hasselhoff is auctioning off all kinds of memorabilia, signed stuff, replica of the kit car from Knight Rider. That's cooler to me than the statue, but I don't know. Maybe you like the statue if you're into some absurd stuff. The statue, the starting price on the auction is going to be $100,000. I would go for the Knight Rider car. Just saying. This is, you can either get the Knight Rider car or you can get nightmares for the rest of your life. It's up to you. With the 100,000
the car
foot
is pretty cool.
statue. The car is cool. I mean, come on, man.
Look at that young Hasselhoff.
But yeah, he's got there's a variety of things that are being auctioned off. Let me give you some of the other ones if you're interested. It's called the Hoff Auction. It begins January 23rd. Autographed articles of clothing, signed scripts, a Baywatch pinball machine, a selection of cars such as a 1961 SL 190 Mercedes, and the replica kit car from the 80s TV show Knight Rider. Let's see if that has a starting price on it. If I click on it here. Ooh! The replica kit car, starting price $975,000 with 10 bids. Oh no, not starting price. It already has 10 bids. So that baby's
going up.
That baby's going into the millions. All right, I take it back. We got to go for the statue. Let's see what the statue's sitting at. It's staying at 100. It's sitting at 100,000 still. No bids. No one is prepared to live life with that 14-foot statue. Well, somebody is. Somebody's going to go for it. It's the beauty of the world and the beauty of the internet. It's 2021, ladies and gentlemen.